Welcome back. You can add in assets to your Microsoft Clipchamp. You're going to see this area here that says Import Video. What you'll then notice is that you will see the video in your workspace. You'll need to click this green button here on top of the media to add it to your timeline. Once you add it to your timeline, you will then see a visual representation of the media on your timeline. Now, before we move on to the next section of this video, it's important to note that this process started in a private browser but would not continue. And so as a result, by clicking the play button, you'll see that the playhead doesn't move, nor does it show the video in the tray. You are going to need to have a browser that will allow processes to run and not to keep them all from running. And so now we look at this process again, now in a non-private browser. And one of the things you'll be able to see is that as we move the cursor, we can see different points in the video. And so we can edit this video using Microsoft Clipchamp at the place where we want it to be. So for example, let's assume that what we want to do is we want to bring it to a certain portion inside of this area. And we can use the S command to split the video here at this point. We can then split the video at another point. We can then delete this portion, and we can move the two portions together. So what we have is a video editor where we can edit existing files, and we can do it inside of our Microsoft Clipchamp account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.